Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Panama Canal Authority has announced that the number of ships using the waterway will be further reduced. This is due to what is being described as the worst drought in over 70 years. As a result, the cost of shipping goods worldwide is likely to increase. Effective November 3, booking slots will be cut to 25 per day from an already reduced 31 per day. By February 2024, that number will be further reduced to 18 slots per day. The measures have already caused long delays, with tens of ships having to wait to use the canal. The Panama Canal greatly reduces the time and distance for ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The authority says between 13,000 and 14,000 ships use it annually. Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining Floyd Green is reporting a 100% increase in the exports of the limestone sector.
It may go unnoticed that we have had over 100% increase in exports from our limestone sector. And I want to commend the team from Litford Mining, which has been driving that exportation growth, and we are looking for greater things as the years go on.
At today's post-cabinet press briefing, he said plans are underway to develop a policy framework to sustain the growth of the industry.
We will continue to place tremendous emphasis on our mining sector to facilitate growth and to identify new markets. In fact, I have tasked the team at the ministry to come to cabinet with a submission around the development of an industrial minerals policy. So while we do have a mining policy, industrial minerals speak to those things such as limestone, which we have seen a tremendous increase in demand. And it's very, very important that we have the policy framework to facilitate its sustainable growth.
A new trustee in bankruptcy has been appointed for the Mystic Mountain Adventure Park in Ocho St. Anne. Greg Dennis of Business Recovery Services Limited replaces Debbie Ann Gordon. According to the Gleaner, this follows the rescinding of an injunction previously issued by Justice Stephanie Jackson Hazley 3 weeks before that barred creditors of Mystic Mountain from removing Ms. Gordon. It's understood that Mystic Mountain's receiver, Wilfred Bagaloo, is in the process of finalizing the sale of the company's assets and leases to a company called North Jam for $13.4 million. As a secured creditor, the $7 million debt owed to Sky High Holdings is expected to be paid in full. Whatever is left after expenses relating to the receivership will be shared among roughly 140 creditors, the biggest of them being Cygnus Credit Investments Limited, which has a claim of $1 million. Gas prices will be going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Diesel will also decline by $4.50, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will fall by $3.06. Kerosene and propane will decline by 25 cents. However, butane will be increased by 22 cents. The Jamaican dollar slipped 29 cents at the end of trading today. Foreign exchange dealers are selling the American dollar for an average $156.37. The Canadian dollar is going for $113.57. $187.88 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $167.70 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 4,097 points today, while the junior market index gained 30 points. 44 stocks advanced. The winners were led by First Rock Real Estate, JPS 7.5%, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, T-Tech, and Sterling Investments. The 47 losers were led by Palace Amusement, Everything Fresh, JetCon, iCreate, and Radio Jamaica. 9 shares closed the trading with their prices unchanged. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.